In this video, I'll show you how to create customer case tickets in Salesforce so your team can track support issues, requests, and follow-ups in one organized workspace. Start by opening Salesforce and clicking the App Launcher grid icon at the top left. Then search for and select Cases to enter the main ticket management area where existing records are listed. From here, click the New button to open the case form and begin entering details carefully because clear data improves response speed and reporting accuracy. Choose the appropriate status and priority based on your team's guidelines. Then select or create the correct contact and link the related account if your process requires it to avoid duplicates and confusion. In the description field, write a concise summary of the issue with relevant context while avoiding sensitive information. Complete any required custom fields such as category or product, review everything once more, and click Save to generate the case number and add it to your list. Subscribe for clear beginner tech tutorials and honest walkthrough videos every week.